We are at a critical point right now, guys, and we've been hitting my support level at $95,000, this orange line right here, multiple times the last few weeks. And every single time we've gone down here and hit this, we have seen a bounce. But the question is this going to continue? Are we potentially about to break this point? That is the question that I am getting right now from a lot of people. And what would happen if we were to break this one? Guys, today I need to share with you what I see happening for the crypto market here, what I am personally doing. You're seeing altcoins once again having a major pullback here today. So yeah, guys, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. I'll go through my trading strategies and my trades as well. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. So what you can see for Bitcoin is that once again, we've had a pullback and the volatility is going down. We're not seeing a lot of volatility. Instead, the last 3 days, we've been trading in between 96,800 and then we've been hitting my level here at the $95,000. So this orange line here continues to hold up the Bitcoin price. But the question is, for how long is this going to continue? Well, for me, for as long as we are above this point, I will continue to say that I am bullish on every single time frame, on the short, mid, and long-term time frame. But if we were to break down from this point, then I become bullish on the longer and midterm time frame. But on the shorter time frames, I become short-term bearish or neutral. It depends. Let's see if we are to break down from this. Let us see when we are going to do it and where this support level here, this orange dotted line, so this yellow dotted line, is going to be at that point. But for now, it seems like we just need some kind of catalyst right now for Bitcoin. It seems like we've run out of catalyst because people, they have, like, the altcoin sentiment right now, for in particular the altcoin sentiment, is so freaking bad. No one is interested in altcoins anymore. Everyone were interested in altcoins when they were at, 3, 4, 5, 7,000% above the price points they are right now. But just the altcoin sentiment is completely gone now. And that means also that the sentiment for crypto in general is actually taking a beating. Now, Bitcoin is going to remain good. I think Bitcoin is going to continue to do well. But it is very, very obvious that the general sentiment in the crypto space, it just leads into less volatility and it leads just to this slow grind for Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, what we need now is one major catalyst. So Donald Trump saying something, or inflation getting under control, or talks about interest rate cuts. Something significant we need for Bitcoin to finally have a breakthrough above, because we're also establishing more resistance levels right now. Look at this. We have a cluster right here in between $98,000 and call it between $98,000 and $99,000. We now have this big resistance level up here. So when we come up and we try to break through it, we will have this resistance first, and then we will have the $100,000 orange line. So for what we're seeing right now is called time capitulation. And the entire point of this is the time capitulation takes place when Bitcoin goes sideways, the optimism is gone in the market, people are pessimistic, we just go sideways and people are selling. So we need to run out of sellers. So when that happens, when everyone who wants to sell have already sold, and this can take a long time, when that happens, then there's no sellers left and the Bitcoin price can only go up, right? So those are two things that we need right now. We need a big catalyst for Bitcoin to pump, and we need the sellers to run out with time here. For me, I am not worried. As I said, I'm still bullish on every single time frame for as long as we are above this orange line at $95,000, which we are. And yes, we're very close to it right now. We're like $700 from this critical point. But you can see how many times this has been holding up the Bitcoin price here, multiple times. So I'm not worried. I am still bullish for as long as we are above this point. If we break down from it in the short term, I become neutral or bearish, depending on how it looks at that point. So I will update you, of course, on everything. But I'm still optimistic on crypto, and the altcoin sentiment right now is so freaking bad. In fact, I made an altcoin video yesterday talking about a few altcoins that I am looking into buying, or that I'm already buying. So make sure to go back and watch that video. It is right here. So for me, there's a lot of opportunities in crypto right now, but we need to be prepared for volatility. So for Bitcoin, that is what I am watching right now. And those are my thoughts on Bitcoin. We just need those catalysts to come, and we need to run out of sellers. If you look at Ethereum, we tried to make a push towards 2,850 here yesterday. And since then, we have had a rejection. Once again, this freaking line here at 2,850. Once again, we see a decent pullback from this point. And also, what was announced yesterday is that Bybit has now accumulated all of the Ethereum that they need to fill the gap. Now, this doesn't mean that we cannot see more buy pressure for Ethereum, because if you look at many of these ones are loans. So yes, they filled the gap, the $1.4 billion or $1.2 billion, but much of this is loans from DVF Labs or from, let me see here, from BitGet, and they will have to continue. Just because they have replenished the Ethereum that they owe the customers, they still need to buy a little bit more here to give back the loans, right? So yes, while they have replenished the Ethereum that they need, there's still some buying that is going to happen for Ethereum here. So I'm still pretty bullish on Ethereum, guys. In fact, that was one of the coins that I talked about in yesterday's video. But yeah, big resistance at 2,850. So let us see if we are able to break through this. If you look at Solana, Solana had another leg down after being supported 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times on my orange line here at 169. We had, once we dropped down from this point, we did see immediately a drop down to the next level of orange line, which was here at 157. So this is what we saw for Solana. So a drop down, and now let's see if we can consolidate in between these levels. But I'm still pretty bullish on Solana. For Doge also had a pullback. Now you know that I have a trade open for Doge. So this one right here, it is currently at a loss, but the next buy-in level, which is going to be at 22 cents, we almost hit it right here. We went to 22.5. So if we see another pullback here, this orange line is going to be big support. So I am going to fill just in line with my initial, this was always the plan, guys, to get 50% at this price and 50% at 22 cents. So if we come down to this point, I will fill the rest of this trade here. And I am expecting a decent bounce from this orange line. So that is good. If you look at Cardano still struggling with breaking through my orange line right here. If you look at XRP, after getting rejected multiple times off of my orange line here, we're now approaching the big support level at $2.40. I'm still in the XRP trade, by the way, guys, on Blowfin. So you can see I already took $1,800 in profit. This is still having $200 in profit, but we took this almost 1,800 right at this orange line right here. So that was a good trade, but let us now see if we can see a bounce from this support level right here. If you look at the total chart, total is now also resting on my support level right here, this orange line. As long as we can stay above this, you can see how many times we've been supported here. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 times on the daily time frame here recently we've been supported off of this line. So that is absolutely insane and kind of ridiculous. But yeah, I'm expecting us to continue to be supported here, guys. And then if anything, this is a good buying opportunity. So I see a lot of opportunities in the market right now. Yes, the sentiment is absolutely terrible, especially for altcoins. But this is when you want to be interested in buying. You don't want to buy when everything is up 500, 1,000%. You want to buy when things are down. If you look at the last month, we're down for Radium 60%. For ENA, across the board here, we're down 50 to 60 to 80% on some altcoins. If you look at the top 200. So let us look at this. So you can see minus 61%. So a lot of altcoins are down significantly. And if you look at the others chart here, the others chart still going sideways. But if we come down close to this support level at my orange line at 235, I will be accumulating insane amounts of altcoins. I will be stacking into my bag. So this is my plan. And my trading strategies are going to use this volatility to just make more money. So I am perfectly fine with this volatility that you're seeing right now. I still believe we're in a bull market. But right now, I'm up $257,000 for Bitcoin. I am down $50,000 for Ethereum. I am down $70,000 for the Solana strategy, and I'm down $67,000 for the Doge strategy. However, the algorithm continues to make more profit. If I wouldn't have used the trading strategies and instead I would have just bought a Solana position, I would have been down $211,000. So this is great. This is still looking good in my opinion. And when we see that next bounce towards the upside, and I believe we're in a bull market, so I believe that we're going to see pumps towards the upside, then all of these ones are going to turn into big profits. That's absolutely fine. My second Ethereum strategy is up $2,000 in total, which is fantastic. If you look at Cardano and XRP, these strategies are also up about $25,000, $24,000 in profit. And the 100x challenge continues to slowly but surely make more profit here with this volatility. The next leg up, if we can finally have some kind of catalyst here, see a big bounce from my orange level at $95,000, break through the resistance and get above $100,000, then all of these strategies are going to do extremely well. And I believe also that this Doge trade, hopefully we can come down and fill a little bit here at 22 cents, but this one will also, in my opinion, do very well. So I will continue to update you on everything here, of course, guys. So yeah, be prepared for that. But if you want to use my trading strategies, guys, go down to the description of this video. Now you're able to get in at a very low price point compared to where we have been the last few weeks and months. Sign up to Pionix using this link right here. Claim the deposit bonuses using this link right here. And then you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Cardano, and XRP with these links. Make sure to take advantage of them. You have SUI, HBAR, and over 180 other altcoins. In fact, the Pi altcoin strategy is doing extremely well. So make sure to take advantage of that. If you want to use the strategies on any other altcoin, click right here. If you want to join my individual trades like this one for XRP, I am sharing always the trading setups with you before I enter. And throughout the time when I have these opens, I continue to update you. But if you want to use those, you have my top exchanges down in the description. Phoenix up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. Blowfin up to $100,000. You have LBank, Bybit, OKX. Choose whichever of these ones that you want to use, guys. That is all great. Guys, this is what I got for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.